The Serra Birdbath package includes some instructions, but here's some tips to make your birding experience even better. The 3-piece construction, as well as the durable material, allows us to package this without the use of styrofoam. The middle part is hollow, allowing you to add some rock or sand to provide weight for added stability. Invert the pedestal and add the bottom as shown, making sure that it's level all the way around. The birdbath bowl twists into place, making for a secure, one-piece, solid assembly once it's complete.